Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Goyappin under desk elliptical machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Real benefit: driving this under desk elliptical requires your own leg strength, which can help you to burn calories and tone the muscles of the lower body. You only need to sit down to exercise legs, whether at home or in the office. This is a good choice for leg therapy, recovery, or daily workout. 2-in-1 elliptical trainer. The Ellipse leg exerciser machine has two using modes: plugging in the power to use or used it directly without power. And you can pedal forward or backward according to needs. Auto and manual mode. The desk exercise compact elliptical offers automatic and manual modes, allowing you to freely choose between automatic, P1 to P3, and manual speeds, 5 levels speed. In different automatic modes, the pedal will rotate at different speeds or directions. In automatic mode, speed and direction cannot be adjusted. Digital monitor. Using the centrally located digital monitor, track time, speed, counter, calorie and more. You can choose the scan function to scroll through all variable while your workout, which helps better measure the body data. Easy to storage and transport. Its compact design does not take up space, and it is lightweight and with handle, convenient for you to move elliptical. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.